Alright, got the pipe in there, and we're just going to push it on in as far as it'll go. And it should go all the way. And it should go all the way. Hit that 90-degree angle. That's about right. And then we'll push it out and then pull it back out and see how much crap comes out. Oh man. Wow. That's a lot of... Wasn't as much as the other side. But more than likely I'll have to do this again on the inside in order for all this crap to come out. Oh, wow, that's a lot of crap. Let's do it one more time. Well, that one didn't come out nearly as bad. It just got a lot of stuff stuck at the very end right here. Probably from all the moisture that gets right here. Because this is going outside, and I live in Oklahoma. It gets really humid here. The problem is it feels like the lint that got to the end of this pipe got wet and then dried and adhered to each other, kind of like a fleece wool blanket or something like that. So you gotta get all that crap out in order for it to shut properly. All right. And it looks like this thing, this outfit definitely needs to be replaced because it's broken. I don't know if I broke it or it's just broken because it's old as shit. Anyway. Oh. let's go back inside and see what it looks like. So, let's see how much stuff fell down here. Go back up here. And come back down. And not as much as I thought. Not as much at all. Alright, so keep you updated and see if this gets rid of the smell my wife was smelling whenever she was doing laundry. Which, quite possibly, honestly, I was expecting a mouse or something in there, but there was no mouse. Just a bunch of lint.